Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. As you know, the JOSA counseling is over and most of the seats have moved on to CSAB, which is Central Seat Allocation Board. About 14,000 plus seats are going to be filled in by CSAB, which are not still filled in NITs, IIITs and GFTIs. Students have been writing to us to understand how many seats are there in some of the branches in some of those NITs. So what we already covered is this CSE allied branches, CS and allied branches in all NITs we covered. We also covered EC and AAA in all NITs across all the NITs that are there. Now what we're going to cover is civil and mechanical because students do want to get into these branches also. I'll show you what are the civil and mechanical branches that are still open for admission in NITs. And you must remember, whenever you talk of CSAB, it's always the All India Common Rank List is what will work. The category ranks get subsumed into an All India Common Rank List. The reservations still apply, just that they'll be using the All India Common Rank List and working on that. And more importantly, whatever happens, even if you got some seat allocation in JOSA, please do participate in CSAB because you're likely to get into an upgrade even through CSAB. Now, a lot of students also wrote to us possibly because they want to explore other options because they're not getting a branch of your choice or a college of your choice. In which case, there are quite a few private universities that are still open for admission. You send us a message on this number, note down this number 8130376334. Send us a message, apply, and one of our counselors will call you up. And if you want to get into any of the foreign universities which are setting up campus in India, which are all UGC approved, Government of India approved, and UGC recognized also as far as qualification is concerned, send us a message foreign on the same number and we'll have a counselor call you up. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves, collecting and collating a lot of data and presenting it to you, and we'll keep you updated and informed at every single point in time. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally. Now over to NITs and the core engineering branches. Let's start with the total number of seats. And in NITs, we actually have 4,850 seats that are still not yet filled in. 4,850. About 840 of them are in CS and allied branches. About 1,200 are there in AAA and EC branches. Now we'll talk about civil is about 540 seats and mechanical is 771 and 1,311 is what you have in civil and mechanical. And this is across all categories, all reservation included. This is what you have. Of the 540, home state is 279 and outside the home state is 231, which is all India quota. And similarly for mechanical, there are 368 seats within the home state category that are free, and outside the home state is 403 seats. Now let's talk of each of the NITs and how many seats are there and what kind of branch is available. First, civil will catch hold of civil. In IEST Shibpur, there are 28 seats in home state, 21 in outside the home state. In all, 49 seats are vacant in civil engineering. NITs is what we're talking about at this point in time. NIT Calicut has 23 in home state, 16 in non-home state, 49 seats is what is still to be filled in. NIT Silchar, 16 home state, 18 non-home state, 34 seats to be filled in. SVNIT Surat, 18 home state, 10 non-home state, 28 seats to be filled in yet. NIT Agartala, 7 home state, 20 non-home state, 27 seats. NIT Trichy, 15 home state, 7 non-home state, 22 seats to be filled in yet. NIT Andhra Pradesh, 7 home state, 13 non-home state, 20 seats to be filled in. We're talking about civil engineering. Remember, we are all talking of civil engineering. NIT Karnataka Surathkal, 14 home state, 5 non-home state, 19 seats to be filled in. NIT Mizoram, 11 home state, 8 non-home state, 19 seats to be filled in. NIT Arunachal Pradesh, 4 home state, 14 non-home state, 18 seats to be filled in. NIT Kurukshetra, 11 home states, 7 non-home state, 18 to be filled in. BNIT Nagpur, 15 home state, 3 non-home state, 18 to be filled in. NIT Durgapur, 13 home state, 4 non-home state, 17 seats to be filled in yet. NIT Puducherry, 9 home state, 8 non-home state, 17 seats to be filled in. NIT Raipur, 5 home state, 11 non-home state, 16 to be filled in. NIT Manipur, 5 home state, 11 non-home state, 16 seats to be filled in. NIT Hamirpur, 6 home state, 9 non-home state, 15 seats to be filled in. NIT Rourkela, 7 home state, 6 non-home state, 13 seats to be filled in. NIT Patna, 5 home state, 7 non-home state, 12 to be filled in. NIT Jamshedpur, 7 home state, 5 non-home state, 12 seats to be filled in. NIT Uttarakhand, 6 home state, 6 non-home state, 12 to be filled in. MNIT Bhopal, 6 home state, 4 non-home state, 10 to be filled in. MNIT Allahabad, 3 home state, 6 non-home state, 9 to be filled in. NIT Meghalaya, 2 home state, 7 non-home state, 9 to be filled in. NIT Nagaland, 2 home state, 7 non-home state, 9 to be filled in. BR Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, 4 home state, 4 non-home states, 8 to be filled in. MNIT Jaipur, 3 home state, 5 non-home state, 8 to be filled in. NIT Delhi, BTech Civil, 5 home state, 3 non-home state, 8 to be filled in. NIT Sikkim, 2 home state, 6 non-home state, 8 to be filled in. NIT Warangal, 5 home state, 3 non-home state, 8 to be filled in yet. And NIT Kurukshetra, 4 home state. It's a dual degree program, by the way. 4 home state, outside the home state 2, 6 to be filled in. NIT Manipur again dual degree, 1 home state, 3 non-home state, 4 to be filled in. NIT Patna BTech dual degree, civil engineering with specialization in construction technology and management, 2 home state, 2 to be filled in. So that is what you have for civil engineering. Now moving to mechanical, there are 771 seats to be filled in, of which home state is 368 and outside the home state is 403, in all 771 of the 4,850 seats to be filled in. Now moving further to where are they available. Remember, this All India Common Rank List is what will apply here. The category reservations will always apply here, and the CSAT counseling is also used for an upgrade also. So just remember all those things when you're dealing with this data. Now, SVNIT Surat, BTech Mechanical, we're talking only mechanical now, 25 home state, 21 non-home state, 46 to be filled in. NIT Agartala, 22 home state, 20 non-home state, 42 to be filled in. NIT Calicut, 14 home state, 25 non-home state, 39 to be filled in. NIT Durgapur, 24 home state, 10 non-home state, 34 to be filled in. Everything is mechanical, remember that. NIT Suratkal, 19 home state, 9 non-home state, 28 to be filled in. NIT Silchar, 12 home state, 17 non-home state, 29 to be filled in. MNIT Bhopal, 10 home state, 17 non-home state, 27 to be filled in. NIT Puducherry, 12 home state, 15 all India quota, 27 to be filled in. NIT Agartala, 9 home state, 16 all India quota, 25 to be filled in. MNIT Allahabad, 6 home state, 18 non-home state, 24 to be filled in. NIT Mizoram, 14 home state, 8 all India quota, 20 to be filled in. NIT Arunachal, 16 home state, 5 all India quota, 21 to be filled in. NIT Raipur, 10 home state, 11 all India, 21 to be filled in. BNIT Nagpur, 12 home state, 9 all India, 21 to be filled in. NIT Warangal, 5 home state, 13 all India, 18 to be filled in. IESC Shibpur, aerospace engineering now. This is aerospace, remember that. 10 home state, 7 all India, 17 to be filled in. NIT Delhi mechanical, again we come back to mechanical, 13 home state, 4 non-home state, 17 to be filled in. NIT Kurukshetra BTech, 12 home state, 5 all India, 17 to be filled in. NIT Manipur, 6 home state, 11 all India, 17 to be filled in. Roorkela, 9 home state, 8 all India, 17 to be filled in. NIT Patna, 5 home states, 11 all India, 16 to be filled in. NIT Trichy, 9 home states, 7 all India, 16 to be filled in. IIST Shibpur, 5 home state, 10 all India, 15 to be filled in. NIT Hamirpur, 5 home state, 10 all India, 15 to be filled in. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, 6 home state, 8 all India, 14 to be filled in. NIT Calicut, 8 home state, 6 all India, 14 to be filled in. NIT Andhra Pradesh, 4 home state, 10 all India, 14 to be filled in. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Robotics and Automation, 5 home state, 9 all India, 14 to be filled in. NIT Trichy, Production Engineering, 10 home state, 4 all India, 14 to be filled in. NIT Nagaland, BTech Mechanical, 5 home state, 8 all India, 13 to be filled in. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Production and Industrial Engineering, 6 home state, 7 all India, 13 to be filled in. NIT Uttarakhand, BTech Mechanical, 5 home state, 8 all India, 13 to be filled in. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, 5 home state, 7 all India, 12 to be filled in. NIT Delhi, Aerospace Engineering, this is aerospace, remember, 3 all India, 11 to be filled in. NIT Meghalaya, Mechanical, 4 home state, 7 all India, 11 to be filled in. NIT Jamshedpur, 1 home state, 7 all India, 8 to be filled in. MNIT Allahabad, 3 home state, 4 all India, 7 to be filled in. NIT Sikkim, 2 home state, 5 all India, 7 to be filled in. NIT Patna, BTech dual degree mechanical engineering, specialization in manufacturing and industrial engineering, 3 home state, 3 all India, 6 to be filled in. NIT Jamshedpur, 2 home state, 4 all India, 6 to be filled in. MNIT Jaipur, 2 home state, 3 all India, 5 to be filled in. MNIT Bhopal, BTech and MTech dual degree engineering with computational mechanics, 5 all India, 5 to be filled in. NIT Patna, BTech Mechatronics and Automation, 1 home state, 4 all India, 5 to be filled in. NIT Manipur, dual degree mechanical engineering, 3 home state, 2 all India, 5 to be filled in. NIT Kurukshetra, 1 home state, 2 all India, 3 to be filled in. So that's what you have across all the NITs. What we discussed is all the core, which is civil, mechanical, automation, mechatronics, and every core engineering that's there. We already covered for CSE. We already covered for EC and triple in a separate video. What we did now is the balance of the core engineering that's there. If you still think that you want to explore other options beyond the CSAP counseling and JOSA counseling, send us a message, apply, on this number, 8130376334. Send us a message, apply, and one of our counselors will call you up. And if you want to get into any of the foreign universities which are setting up campus in India, send us a message, foreign. because there are quite a few good universities that are setting up campus in India. And we'll have one of our counselors who understand this space to call you up. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of information and content to help students decide for themselves. It's very important for you to take a very objective call. We want to keep you informed at every single stage. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. I hope this helps you out. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much, Namaste.